now we know that the first civilization of the world was Mehergarh, and you can see in this map Mehergarh is located at this site near Indus. So here you can see Harappa. This is also an ancient civilization site, and then you can see Mohenjo-daro. Children, this here you can see the dotted line. This dotted line represents the Saraswati river. Before this, Indus Valley civilization was located along the bank of this river, Saraswati river, but afterwards, as this river dried up, this civilization stretched from this portion to the other parts of the subcontinent. Dear students, now kindly come to page number 6. Here, as it is clear from the heading, people and culture, that in this paragraph we are going to study about the people and the culture of the Indus Valley civilization. So first I'll read the passage and then I'll explain it to you. The earliest people in the Indus Valley are known as Dravidians. They later moved and spread to the southern parts of India and Sri Lanka. The Brahvi people in Balochistan are Dravidians. Their language belongs to the group of Dravidian languages. Archaeologists are amazed at how developed the Indus Valley civilization was. They have discovered well-planned towns, houses, streets, drainage system, arts and crafts and writing. All the cities uncovered so far are built on the same pattern. Children, the earliest people that lived in the Indus Valley civilization were Dravidians. Okay? They are called Dravidians, and after some time they moved to the southern portions of the India and Sri Lanka. Moreover, children, Brahvi, which is very common language in the tribal areas of Balochistan, this language is also from the group of the Dravidian languages, the languages that Dravidian people used to speak. Now here, children, on this page you can see two words have been written in the bold, and these are the difficult words, so I'll tell you the meanings of this word. So this is evidence. Evidence means, children, proof, and in Urdu, saboot. Okay, and then deciphered. Children, deciphered means to solve, okay, or decode. Or in Urdu, if I'll tell you, so decipher means आसानी के साथ हल कर लेना. Children, archaeologists agree on this point that people of Indus Valley civilization were very peaceful people, and they did not fight any war because there were no any pictures or drawings found about the battles or wars. Moreover, the writing which those people used to write is also a mystery still, because archaeologists are unable to decode that language.